Enzo, you look damn handsome in that collar. Oh. He's after the bag. He's chasing the bag. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and today we're out at a new car meet that I actually have not been to. I think they've just started hosting here pretty recently. I think this is actually the second one. We're at Barbarossa Coffee here up in like the spring area, 99 and 2920, for a little cars and coffee action, man. It's been a while since we've had a cars and coffee. It's actually kind of chilly, my God. We got the merch plug right here, shameless merch plug. We got the shirts, Cars Across Texas. She's rocking the jacket, Cars Across Texas, and she actually has a shirt under that. And the stickers, of course. Stickers actually are not on the website though. You gotta come see me at a show because shipping on these is just not worth it. But let's get to the show. There's already a ton of cars here. We drove back around to the back to park up, and of course we had to drive past the show, and it's packed. So let's take a look around. Let me know what your favorite car is in today's video is down in the comments below. Let's get right to it. Got a super clean Termy rolling in. Looks like he's on some CCW classics. You love to see it, dude. This is super clean. And then we got the 350Z here with a goddamn picnic table on the back. Little nacho cheese colored Boss 302. Got a couple of the Stancy hatchback boys here. We got the Focus RS on the rotiforms bagged with the ski box. This is actually super, super clean. Then we got the GTI on some other rotiforms, also looks bagged. And then look at this. This is sick. Is this white or is it like baby blue? It looks like, yeah, it's like baby blue on a old school Porsche. Oh, Golf livery. God damn, that's nice. I like that a lot. We keep on going down the line though. We got the Pontiac G8 with the big old cowl hood, the carbon fiber. Nice little C10, sounding good. Enzo, pups, you like the Porsche? Te gusta? Nice, little Termy. You love to see it, man. Termy's out here everywhere. Got the Bullet rolling in, my boy. Little SS, couple Camaros. We got the SS, and then we got the newly acquired Z01. Is this Mr. Sinclair Photos? Is Mr. Sinclair Photos in the building? Keep on walking down the line. Got the turbo, the 911 turbo rolling in. What's up, dude? How are you?
Going to new exhaust.
I saw. What exhaust is it? What? Okay, gotcha. New exhaust in the turbo. And then we got the Viper rolling in. Yes, sir. What's going on, dude? This thing is so nice. Then we got the Trans Am. I take it it's a turbo car. Oh, what's up, dude? I didn't even recognize you. What's going on, man? How are you? How much power are you making now?
Over 1,000 now.
R.I.P. the biker guy just fell over. Oh yeah! We got the Terminator back here. This thing is super clean as well. I love these wheels. Got the wide body RX-8 over there. Yellow Grand Sport. We got the Turbo Chevelle. Sheesh! The parachute in the back. That thing is insane. He did a little pull like right in front of the thing and you can hear all the turbo from this car. Nice little orange Fox body. Man, the boys are rolling in deep now. We got here just in time. What's up, dude? How are you? Got the Cam 5th gen right here. We got the Fiery Boy here, I think. Yes, it is the Fiery Boy. What's going on, dude? How are you?
Good. Oh, the charge pipes come on Tuesday.
The charge pipes come on Tuesday. Okay, I like to hear it. You love to hear it. Okay, Karen. Got another little Turbo S and the Jurassic Park Jeep pulling up. So we got the homie pulling up in the Jurassic Park Jeep. What's going on, dude? How are you?
Doing all right, man. How you been?
Doing all right. Good to see you out, man. It's always a video favorite, getting the Jurassic Park Jeep in the video. This thing is very detailed. He's got the Jurassic Park gas cans back here and everything. Visit Jurassic Park. You love to see it. Oh my goodness. The big nut. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I love it. C6ZR1 number 1, C6ZR1 number 2. God, dude. There aren't many cars that rock white better than the C6. And then right behind them, we got the Guards Red Porsche GT3. That's nice. And then behind him as well, the Mark IV Supra. Because I am a lazy boy, I don't get up at this hour very often. So we're very happy to have this at a coffee place so I can get my 90 million shots of espresso and fuel my addiction. Enzo. Pup. All right, so we got my double shot mocha. We got a poodle that's all shaved up right there. Oh my goodness. So we got a super clean 720 here. A little silver on the gunmetal wheels. I like this a whole lot, man. I say it every video. McLaren, one supercar I'd buy right here. It is popping today, boys. We got a couple more Vipers joining the party. This one looks like he's seen some use. And we also have the Gen 5 TA here. Super rare. He's got the upgraded aero, the TA 2.0 pack back here with the little extra wing in this fantastic color. All right, boys, I don't know about y'all, but I do hear me a little centrifugal supercharger action coming from this Mustang right here. Oh my God. The wheel. Yeah. God damn. Enzo, we have some friends for you. CTSV rolling in. It's a very diverse meet this morning. There's a whole lot of goodies. Everything from CTSVs to Subies to old MR2s to slammed Apaches and old Porsches. Hear that blower over there? This color's really cool. It's like a flat blue, but like in the sun it kind of twinkles purple. Got the big body wagon, complete with the wood paneling on the side and the surfboard up top. This thing is crazy. That's just so big. Hog up the damn road. Got the surfboard up top and the fishing poles. He's ready for the beach.
That looked like I'm wondering if that was a legit car.
Okay. I have to admit, a little jealous. Everybody brought their doggies today. Hello. Look at this. Las Mamalonas pulling up. My God. The slam dually? Oh my goodness. So Eurocar boys, tell me. I don't know. I think this is a new M2 right here. Or maybe it's just aftermarket stuff. Definitely looks like it has a new grille. He has a carbon fiber splitter, different wheels. The wheels look aftermarket, but I could be wrong in that as well. And then a different hood. Enzo.
It's your face.
It kind of looks like you. And then you got the big carbon fiber weave up here. Is that carbon fiber? What is that? That's crazy. Hey, nice titties, bro. Twin turbos. Looking good, shining brightly out here in the Texas sunshine. He has to be pretty damn quick, huh? So check out this big ass Jeep. I don't know what I'm looking at. I do know that's a turbo though. Nice. So you look right here and you think, okay, it's just a clean little ruby red Mustang with a blower on it. But you come around and it is a Targa top. It's a Segala kit. They do a wide body, but they also do this Targa top kit. It's very interesting. You got the top and the back right there. I mean, it's definitely an interesting look. Oh my God, oh, it's Sala. Hey, you. What's up, dude? How are you? What's going on? I haven't seen your new car yet.
I know. I was like, let me come out today.
Dude, it's looking good. This is the 600 LT color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I'm trying to get a matching one in the 600s, but they have a Helios also.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah, sweet.
Sheesh, man, this looks good. Okay, well, congrats, since I haven't seen you since you got it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Drop him a follow on Instagram. What's up?
Is that your YouTube?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys.
Drop him a follow right there, Mr. Kuda on the gram. God damn. Nice. Little CTSV. I like it. And then we got the Viper. Yes, sir. Another fellow HPC car. But I didn't catch this. This is pretty sick. We got the green Mustang with the set of powder coated to match green turbos. I didn't realize this guy was twin turboed. Oh my God. That's so nice. The parachute and everything. Alrighty, it's time to go to the exit. Get people leaving. Let's see if we get any sins for the boys. Oh my God. That is a sparkly ass wrap. Old man's getting rowdy. R.I.P. clutch, brother. Oh no. Gangster as fuck. I love it, dude. So boys, are you more about the German refinement or the American balls to the wall insanity? Oh, focus camera, please. TA 2.0. Yes, sir. It's a protonic red I8.
Oh, that's a heli.
Thank you for providing the artificial supercharger wine.
Oh, that's the electric.
So it looks like he's got like a pre-runner kit on the Ram. Dude, those wheels in the back are like 26 by 15s. plane spotting out here, boys. Screw the cars. As I've said before, Z28s make my PP hard. We got a pupper! Doggy!
That was disappointing.
Yeah. The C7 just sent it in front of the cop. No!
Yeah, the C7 way.
Ferrari. We got some GM love rolling out. We got the CTS-V followed by a Z06 and then the Pro-Charged Grand Sport. It's the Kool-Aid Man. Oh my God. Unit. You got a fire extinguisher stuck on the back too. That is bright ass. Yeah. The HPC Gen 2 ACR. And the LS240. You love to see it. The only way to do a 240. Oh, it's a 308 sending it? And the R8. And the C8. 308 R8 C8. Triple H's, baby. It's my lucky day. Oh my God, we got the Aventador SV rolling in. We got the Aventador SV. That's awesome. It's dead. Another Terminator. Twin turbskis, brother. How much power does it make? 4 digits? You in the 4 digits? 850. I got you. Oh, what the fuck just happened, dude? What? God damn it, dude. Will he send it for the boys? Yeah, I sent it for the boys! So we just got... What happened over here?
I think it hit the back tailgate of the...
So there was just a wreck while we were doing stuff over here. Oh my God, gross. R.I.P. It looks like he hit like boards out of this truck.
He ran into the board and was saying the damn thing.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. It looks like the board just went straight through this dude's grill.
He messed up his tailgate, but he got it fixed.
Yeah, this guy, those boards saved the truck. What in the world?
Hit this guy.
The Superman got wild. Oh my God. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Lots of craziness going on. The Supra hitting some drifts for us. Lots of cool cars. A car wreck. I mean, old man shredding his clutch. Everything happened in this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Remember to check out shopcarsacrosstexas.com, link down below. And I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace.